Check it out, guys. Winter's over. It's a lovely day today, a little breezy, but temperature's been good. Birds have been in the aviary. And we still have the tarp the same way like that. Oh, I heard a woodpecker. Let's go in and see how they're all doing though. Get a closer look. There's the gang, guys. Pie right there. Spice below. You can see Cherry in the middle there. Maple to the left on the perch. And there's Peach. Peach. Hello, Pie. Let's go in closer. No more snow hills in here. You can hear a woodpecker banging on a tree. Peach! Come here, Peach. Peach is still molting. So's Maple. Cherry looks excellent, actually. Look at that, how shiny he looks. And we still have the tarp on. Well, we're going to keep it on until we can build a solid aviary, like a permanent one with a roof. So you just have to put up with that, you know, the tarp making noise. Peach! Little Peach! There's Peach! Come here, Peach! Peach isn't flying very well because he's molting and he can fly, but he's quite rough. He's not coming over to the corner. There's some water. They were bathing before, but I didn't get out here to film. I was doing something else. Yeah, it'll get all green in here and we'll have to cut it, or the birds will have to do some farming. Yeah, spring chicks. It's spring for real out here. And it just went from winter to like summer, you know, basically. Not quite summer temperatures yet, but there's been some warm days already. Like, there must have been, right? Why would the snow all be gone? Like, it wouldn't look like that out there if it wasn't warm around here. What's going on down there? That's Spice. Spice! You can hear a woodpecker doing some maintenance over there. Pie! Come here, Pie! Pie! Little Pie! Yeah, they like it in here, but they also like going in the house too. It's just the way they're spoiled, right? They want to go in and feel cozier, for, you know. But they do love it out here, but they like going in too. Look, he's doing some farming. That's Spice. I think he's looking for treats. Let's zoom into Peach. I don't know why Peach is staying over there for. Peach! 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 Pie! Little Pie. Can you guys hear that woodpecker in the background? Yeah, Maple is really taking a long time to molt. But you know, when we first rescued her, it took over a year for her tail feathers to grow properly. Like, it took a good solid year. So, you know. Oh, there's Peach. Peach! Look how he's looking. He doesn't have gray hair, you know. And he's not going bald or anything. He's He's just going through that molting. That's just the way it is. And they don't lose all the feathers all at once, but they're losing them in different places, and it's just the way it is. Bye. Spice, look how beautiful Spice looks. Look at the colors. Pie's coming down to check. We did a live frog concert video. Just the frogs are just going at it, like in the ponds and everything, and water on the side of the road from the snow melting, and everything just comes alive in the spring, you know. Peach, Peach, come here, Peach. Come here, Peach. Hello, Peach. Peach. That's Peach. There's little Peach. Peach is almost 8 years old. Just about 8 now. Yeah, Peach. Hello, Peach. How you doing, Peach? He's letting us take a look at him. Oh, he's doing good. He's, like I said, he's not going bald or nothing. It's just the way it is with molting. You hear that woodpecker in the background. There's Cherry over there. Look how he looks. He looks really nice. Wait, I'll get a better angle here. Let's zoom in. Look at that. He looks like Batman, you know. Look at that coat. It's feathers, but he looks gorgeous. Look at that, hey guys? What do you think? Look at that. He's looking the best of the crows. Cherry, yeah, really handsome looking. Lovely. I'm doing some banging on the wood now, playing woodpecker. You should hear the sounds here at night. There's all kinds of sounds all on the day too, but when it gets into the evening, you just hear nature going at it. Cherry. Yeah, Cherry, you tell him. Cherry. Yeah, look at the nice green trees behind there. Still got to plant those too. We're just not here enough. One of these times though, we're going to try to be here for good. Oh, it's lifting like a sail. We had it clipped and then it comes undone, so. But this is, we're just making sure here. Maybe we're being overcautious, but you can't take chances. They're so precious, you know. We wouldn't want to say, why didn't we keep it on there? And you just don't forgive yourself. There's the guard pup. Hello, pup. Maybe we'll play a little ball after this. So I'm going to end the video here, guys. Just want to show you how the birds are doing. And they're summer chicks. It's not quite summer yet, but when that sun is shining down on you, it really feels nice. So give a big thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. And check the other channel out. I'll put a link below. We did some work there near the hayland, and my eyes are all sore now from the wind was just blowing, and a bunch of dust and dirt got in them, and I had to put my sunglasses on too, but it just got to me. So if you're wondering, do I look tired or something, it's from all that dirt. So see you in the next one, guys.